Before installation, please follow the steps below to check wall pipe suitability. Install the outlet pipe first. Make sure the threaded pipe's positions and angles with the wall are both accurate. Turn on the inlet valves to flush away the dirt in the threaded pipes. Make sure the warm water inlet hose is on the left while the cold water inlet hose is on the right. Product installation. Please check types and quantities of the accessories in the package. Prepare the installation tools. Install the S-shaped connectors of the thermostatic faucet first. Pay attention to the two S-shaped connectors' height, distance and angle with the wall. After installing the pressure gauge and the thermostatic faucet, turn the S-shaped valve clockwise to maximum. 1. Test the warm water pressure. Make sure the pressure is between 0.1 MPa to 0.5 MPa. 2. Test the cold water pressure. Make sure the cold water pressure and the warm water pressure have a difference less than 0.2 MPa. If the difference is more than 0.2 MPa, turn the S-shaped valve of cold water anticlockwise. After the two steps above, make sure the thermostatic faucet can function normally. Install the decoration covers. Assemble the thermostatic faucet with the straight pipe. Install the fixing seat and the decoration cover. Height of the elbow pipe can be adjusted. Range of the adjustment is less than 300 mm. Connect the hand shower. Install the top shower head. Install the bath sponge hook onto the straight pipe. Test whether the faucet can function normally. Please note that only after the anti-scald button is pressed and turned anticlockwise can the temperature be increased above 38. The innovative anti-scald design improves the safety and use of the shower set. The patented technology of original S-shaped valve realizes better water pressure adjustment and water filtering, makes cartridge dismounting and cleaning easier, and enables the thermostatic cartridge to work stably for a long time. JOMOO air power technology can save water by 50%, giving you a better shower experience. The original patented technology of descaling through ejectors solves conventional shower heads' problem of difficult descaling. A gentle turn can eject the scale. One turn descaling to avoid blockage. Revolutionary shower experience. Perfect enjoyment. JOMOO Air Energy Thermostatic Descaling Shower Set. JOMOO makes life easier through intelligent technologies.